Hi guys, so for today's video, I decided to do a vlog since this is my last day at work. I decided to resign to look for more opportunities beside my job. So I work in a BPO industry, and this is my BPO experience. And I work here for 4 years and 7 months. So, ito nga pala yung tinatahak natin everyday papunta sa trabaho. Um, Laging commute, tapos super traffic, pero tiyaga lang para sa future. So, as a customer service representative, I was very thankful for all the people that helped me grow in this company. So, with this job, talagang natulungan nila kami during the pandemic. Never akong iniwan ng company na to. Kung babalikan natin yung pandemic, maraming company ang nagsara. Pero, itong company na to, hindi talaga nila kami pinabayaan. Kahit na may mga ibang accounts na nagsasara, pero tina-transfer nila kami sa iba't ibang account for as na hindi mawalan ng trabaho. And while working here in this BPO industry, I'm really thankful for the opportunity that was given to me, and I have learned a lot, and also my strong communication skills. Ayun, mas naging confident pa ako para makipag-usap sa mga ibang tao. Ako kasi yung tipo ng tao na mas gusto yung mag-isa, mas gusto yung walang kausap. Pero nung nag-work ako dito, mas nakita ko yung sarili ko na nakaya ko palang ganyan, makipag-usap sa English, gano'n. Dati kasi hindi ako masyado sa English, pero dito lang talaga nahasa yung pagsasalita ko ng English. So, ayun, andito na tayo sa trabaho. Ito nga pala yung hallway natin, may mga guards in every hallway. This is actually a third floor at doon kami sa basement. Kami sa pinaka-basement. So, I just want to thank you, all the people, my coaches, my co-workers, my friends, who are always there for me. Once you work into a call center or into a BPO company, ang kalaban mo talaga dito is your physical and also your mental health. So, sometimes, human as we are, there are times when we get tired and our energy drops, but we always make sure to bounce back right away. Immediately, we have to go back to the purpose why we are working, and that is to provide an excellent customer service to our customer, and also I have a daughter to feed. So, every time na kalaban ko yung mental health ko, lagi kong iniisip, ba't ako nagtatrabaho? At yun ay para ma-provide yung magandang kinabukasan para sa anak ko. So, here are some clips while I'm taking calls. Napaka-seryoso lang. Napaka-seryoso lang. Minsan, kailangan lang nating makinig ng mabuti sa concern ng customers natin and put our shoes in their situation para matulungan natin sila sa mga concern nila. Patience is the key. Maraming nagtatanong kung bakit ko iiwan yung trabaho ko since maganda naman yung pasahod, ganyan, maganda yung benefits. Pero since kalaban natin yung mental health natin at saka yung physical health natin, I decided na mag-resign muna para makapagpahinga and try another opportunities outside. At kung makapag-isip-isip man tayo, pwede naman tayong bumalik. There are a lot of BPO company na pwedeng mapasukan. And for sure na mamimiss ko yung pagtatrabaho dito. Kahit na sabihin natin puro irate yung customers natin. Pero thinking back, nagiging matibay tayo bilang tao. Natututo tayo kung paano natin i-communicate yung sarili natin kapag kinakausap tayo ng mga pabalang, ganun, may mga mura. Pero working here, ito kasi yung nagpo-provide sa atin ng everything, yung pang-araw-araw nating pagkain, pangbayad ng bills. So, yeah, I'm really, really thankful for this company for giving me a chance to work here in this industry. And talagang mamimiss ko tong trabaho na to. One day, siguradong malulungkot, mamimiss mo. Pero, yeah, we have to continue to learn and continue to grow whatever comes our way. So, for now, nag-decide muna ako na iwan tong trabaho to para makita ko din yung sarili ko. Or, masubukan ko din kung paano siguro mag-business sa labas o kaya humanap ng ibang opportunities. Kung hanggang saan pa yung kaya natin gawin.
So, hanggang dito na lang yung vlog natin guys for today. And thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Thank you.